For our kale, we're gonna go into our first little chopping scenario. The first cut I'm actually gonna show you is a chiffonade. And you can pretty much do this with any of your big leafy greens. You can do this with some of your herbs, cilantro, parsley. And just so we don't overwork ourselves and crowd it, I think this looks nice enough to start right now. So what you wanna do at this point is just kind of roll it up like a burrito. Roll it up, roll it up. Tuck in our fingers, we call it a claw, so make a nice little claw. Take our blade, slowly rest it against the knife, and just chop, chop. You see we're getting all pretty evenly cuts because it's like rolled up, so they make these like nice ribbons. They're all gonna be very similar in size because we had them rolled up already. It's important to keep that claw the entire time and keep your finger tucked in the entire time. Whether you're doing a nice slice like this, or if you're chopping, you can rock it a little bit more. The rock chop is an important culinary skill because it's a speed chop. It's something that's very big in the Western kitchen. Once you get comfortable doing that first one, we're gonna start incorporating that rock. Just back and forth motion, up, down, just take your time. You don't have to start out as a speed demon, just slowly getting used to it. And as you see, I'm just backing up my claw. Readjust if you have to. Don't ever feel like you can't readjust. It's always better to readjust than to cut yourself because you're just trying to stay in that motion like, well, I already have my knuckles in. It's completely fine. Just reset yourself, recalibrate, get it, and pick up where you left off. You got this. Your knife skills are gonna be top notch.